Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Nikos Peñaranda na magbibigay ng latest update ukol dito sa kay Bagyong Odette. So as of 10 a.m. ito pong Bagyong si Odette ay naging isang ganap na typhoon na may lakas na 120 kilometers per hour malapit sa gitna at pagbugso na umaabot sa 150 kilometers per hour. Ito po ay kasalukuyang kumikilos na pakanluran o westward sa bilis na 20 kilometers per hour at dito po sa area po ng Caraga at Eastern Visayas. Ito po ay 590 kilometers sa silangan po ng Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur. At base po sa ating forecast, wala po masyadong nagbago sa ating forecast philosophy. Ito po ay patuloy na tinatahak itong area po ng Caraga at Eastern Visayas. More leaning towards po dito sa may area ng Southern Eastern Samar at dito po sa bandang area ng Surigao del Sur kung saan doon po maaring magkaroon po ng paglandfall bukas po ng hapon. Okay. Nataas na po ngayon itong tropical cyclone wind signal number 2 kung saan asahan po natin ang may kalakasan na malakas na hangin na mararanasan bukas po ng umaga dito po sa area ng eastern portion po ng Surigao del Norte at sa Surigao del Sur.
Hey guys, so time check is 4 a.m. and I couldn't sleep. So I've been monitoring the track of Typhoon Odette and it seems like it's already entered. I'm just really worried of the destruction and also the worst scenario that I can think of with this category 2 that also keeps strengthening to category 3. Hopefully it weakens as it moves towards Siargao, but it's very unlikely kasi wala pang landfall. So let's see what will happen. It's gonna be a very long day ahead kasi medyo mahina yung ikot niya. And right now I can see that they still have signal there because my messages are still coming through. I just don't know later on pag sobrang lakas na ng wind. So yun. I'm not sure why I'm documenting this, but this is the first typhoon that we will be experiencing, even though I'm not there, but everything that I have worked for is there in Siargao now, so it's yeah. Anyway, life is more important than material stuff, so I'm just really praying that everyone is going to be safe after this.
A quick update on our storm system. Typhoon Odette, also known as Odette in the Philippines, it has exploded in intensity in the last few hours. Based on Dvorak analysis, this has jumped up the winds, sustained up and over 110 knots, and it is expected to continue to intensify up to a possible Category 5 super typhoon at landfall.
7 p.m. 15 December, I asked them to go to Alegria and transfer to my house, which is a wooden old house, but its walls are concrete, and I am confident enough that it will hold up with signal number 2, because in the forecast the route of the typhoon will be above Siargao Island where Kaha is, in which I predicted that Kaha will be getting damage from that position and storm surge as well. So I asked them to transfer to Alegria. By the way, my business partner is there, my friends, my business partner's cousins, which are also my friends, are there. They're having vacation. They plan to be in Siargao for Christmas after so long that they haven't seen each other. So, and I had been monitoring the typhoon until 4 a.m. or 3 a.m. And then I slept for 2 hours. It's a good thing that I woke up at 6 a.m. and checked the news, checked the forecast, and it was so fast. The typhoon accelerated, and from category 2 it became category 4, and there's a big possibility that it will turn out as category 5 once it hit or landfall in Siargao. So by this time I was shaking, and I knew that it would be like Yolanda all over again. Hi, just an update. Today is December 16 and today is the day that Typhoon Rai or Typhoon Odette has made a landfall in Siargao. So earlier I wasn't able to sleep well because I've been monitoring the situation. And also, yeah, I'm in the studio now. Life must go on. I'm still not able to contact any of my friends there, and I'm quite worried, very worried of their situation. I hope they are okay and that I'll be able to contact them later. But yeah, the signal is quite bad in Siargao now. I don't think it will be back soon. So it's really terrifying to hear any news from them now. Because of course there are a lot of things that may have happened during the whole typhoon thing. I'm still hoping that they are safe and nothing bad happened to them, because it's gonna be so hard to accept that. I heard a news that some of the roofs are flying off in Burgos, some of the homestays. So I am just expecting that Kaha will be in a massive destruction right now, and its windows or its glass doors should be shattered by now, and also those bamboo fences that we did there might probably have flew off earlier. So yeah, I think the coconut nut is totally gone. It's a kubo with nipa roof, so it probably didn't survive the whole ordeal. It's just so sad because a lot of things have happened in the past 2 years, and we are trying to keep afloat and give or provide jobs to the people there in the community, and now we are facing another problem or issue. I don't know if we're able to come back after this, but before that I just really want to know if my friends are safe. Okay, so this is distracting me from my work now. I have to prepare for the class and life must go on. And yeah, I need to work because I need to earn money.